One of the most important tools for drawing mandala is the Symmetry tool. That's precisely what makes life easy. First of all, you can choose vertical and horizontal symmetry, which allows creating square-based designs. You can choose both of them at the same time or use them separately. This little circle is the center of symmetry. It can be moved in any place you want. This icon is for radial symmetry. It is necessary when you create round mandalas. Here you can choose an amount of radial sectors, from 2 to 16. If you stop the strokes at the center line, you will be able to draw only within the limits of one segment. If you extend them, there will be no border. When drawing, it's better to lock the symmetry lines so that you don't move the symmetry center accidentally. Also, if you wish, you can hide the symmetry lines, but I prefer to leave them visible because I find them helpful when planning the design.